Sir, in the last videos, we covered very clearly about recursion. Okay, we are discussing a topic of recursion. So, what is mean by recursion? How we can able to use recursive algorithms? Very clearly, I explained in the last videos. Sir, how many programs we covered on that recursion? Sir, do you remember almost 4 programs we have seen? Okay, like I think if you remembered, so implementing a program to print natural numbers from 1 to n, and implement a program to calculate sum of n natural numbers, and implement a program to calculate a to the power b, a where a and b can be any integer, and implement a program to find factorial of the given number. These things we covered very clearly. And one more thing, sir, I think I have explained one logic also, maybe I have not covered. Okay, yeah. So let me go with the next program, fifth program. Sir, my program is nothing but implement a program. Implement a program. Okay, sir, to calculate product of two numbers, product of two integer values. Sir, product means what? I think I can able to say a into b. Okay, I want to calculate, sir, a into b value. Sir, let us see how we can able to implement these by using recursion. Recursion is our main agenda, right? Based on recursion, how we can able to solve. Let us see here, sir. Sir, I am taking a class called a demo. In this demo class, I want to define a static integer. There is one method called product, which is receiving a value and it is receiving b value. So anyway, we will write that later. Sir, I need to read input from the user. If you want to read input from the user, you required a scanner class. Then I am asking system.out.println of. So I will ask enter a value. Okay, enter a value. Sir, now after this, I am going to take integer a is equal to obj dot next. Then parallelly, I am going to ask the user to enter b value. Then I am going to take b is equal to, so obj dot next int. Like this I have taken. Then system dot out dot println of, in the demo class, there is one method is there with name product. Just you need to pass a comma b. Now this product function, okay, this product function should return multiplication of these two. Sir, I think simply you can able to return a into b, but that is not my requirement. I want to implement by using recursion. Sir, there are two cases are there. So first one, suppose if a value is very less when compared with b, that means when a value is very small value, then sir, call this recursion. Okay, call this recursion product of reverse the numbers. So I will explain why it is going to be do like that. Okay. Else if otherwise, sir, until the value of b is not equal to 0. Okay. Until the value of b is not equal to 0, can you store the value of a in the stack plus product of, I will take a value as it is, and I will reduce b minus 1. Okay. Sir, 2 into 3 means what? 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus, right? So 2 into 10 means what? 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus and so on 10 times. The same algorithm I applied. So until the value of b will become 0, sir, I am going to store the value of a in the stack. Again, I will call for the b minus 1. So if b value is 3, b minus 1 means what? For 2 it is going to be stored. For 1 it is going to be stored. That means 2 into 3 means 3 times we are storing that 2 value in the stack. That is our application. Sir, okay. Once if the value of b is equal to 0, what you are doing? Since it is related to the addition, simply return 0. If it is related to the multiplication, you can able to return 1. But here the operation which we are doing is plus. That's why I am going to return 0. That's all. This is the application. Sir, first let me run this code and I will show the output. Later we can trace that. Okay. Now let us see. So Java C test.java I'm taking. Sir, is the code compiled fine? Yes. Java space test I'm taking. Sir, it is asking enter A value 2. Sir, it is asking enter B value 3. Sir, what output we got? Okay, 6. Sir, enter A value. Sir, 8. Enter B value. Sir, 8. Sir, is it 64 or not? Yes. Sir, in the stack, how many entries will be there? 8 entries. In this case, in the stack, how many entries will be there? 3 entries. This is nothing but how we are going to use. Sir, why don't use multiplication operator? Poonam, actually this program I am implementing by using recursion concept. So internally, A into B means what? A is added how many times? B times. Okay. Sir, I have purchased 3 chocolates. 3 chocolates. Sir, each chocolate price is 2. So how much price? You are going to take 2 into 3 because 2 is the price, 3 items we have. But individually, if you want, how you can able to take first chocolate price plus a second chocolate price plus third chocolate price, right? So like that I am implementing in the recursion. Clear, Poonam? Yes. Now let us execute this. Which one is good? Sir, better to use multiplication operator. Okay. Multiplication operator is best. A into B. Simple. But here just I'm trying to explain how the recursion algorithms is going to be implemented. Okay. Right. Sir, now I will trace this by taking some negative numbers and positive numbers. Sir, let us trace this. Yes, have a look once. Sir, now I am taking, sir, something like A is equal to 2 and B is equal to 3. Sir, first it is going to check. First it is going to check. Is A value is less than B or not? Sir, is 2 is less than 3? Yes. Then is B is not equal to 0? Sir, B is equal to 3. So which is not equal to 0? Condition 2. Then return A plus. A will be stored in the stack. A will be stored in the stack. What is the value of A here? Sir, 2. Then product of, again it is going to call by passing A value as a 2, B value as a 3 minus 1, which is nothing but 2. Next time it is going to check, sir, anyway that A value is less than B, sir, then B is not equal to 0. Now what will happen? Okay, sir, here B minus minus we pass it right, that is B minus 1. Sir, your B value will become 2. Sir, that 2 A value will be pushed. Again B value will become 1. Sir, again A value will be pushed. Sir, now once B is equal to 0, we are going to return 0. Maybe that 0 will be pushed. And if you perform pop operation, so 0 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2, sir, which will become 6. Sir, is 2 into 3 is equal to 6 or not? Yes. Sir, what happens if the value of A is equal to 3 and B is equal to 2? So in such cases, maybe here again we need to write one more step. So because two values are there, that's why, sir, if the value of A is less than B, okay, I think here itself we have to do that. Okay, no problem. Sir, if A is less than B, then we are going to call in reverse order. Okay, so if A value is 3 and B value is 2, we will perform some operation. If A value is 2 and B value is 3, then we will make these as A is equal to 3 and B is equal to 2. Right? Like this we can able to do. So just one way we are approaching. Suppose if the value of A is less than B, we will interchange the value of A and B. Anyway, the result will be same. Okay, this is nothing but how we can able to implement this multiplication, that is product of two numbers, sir, by using recursion. Okay, so hope this fifth program is also very clear for everyone. Please confirm, do you have any doubts up to this? Yeah, if it is normal values you can ignore, but maybe number of entries in the stack sometimes may be very clear. Sir, I request everyone to please confirm, is it clear? Yeah, correct, Kiran. Yeah, we can change, Manoj. See, in the recursion, we should not concentrate more on instructions. We have to concentrate on method calls. Why 3 into 2 output will be 9? 3 into 2 output is a 6. Why it will get 9? We are giving the value of A as a 3, B as a 2. Sir, is it 3 less than 2? Condition is false. Is B is not equal to 0? Yes, sir. Then inside the stack, A value will be stored. So next time, A will be same. B value will be -1. 2 minus 1, 1. Okay. Sir, condition that 3 value will be stored. Next, it will become 0. Sir, 3 less than 0. Condition false. Is B is not equal to 0? No, B is equal to 0. Return 0. So 3 plus 3 plus 0. 6 is the answer. Clear? Ajit, interview question will be like, without using multiplication operator, multiply two numbers. Yes, we can write this code. See, some students are keep on asking, sir, is there any impact of this line? Maybe there will be. For example, if you take A is equal to 2 and B is equal to 3, sir, in the stack, how many entries you have to take? 3 entries, right? One, this is one entry, this is one entry, this is one entry. So once if you interchange, that means if you call for B comma A, I think you are going to store only in 2 entries. Clear? That is the reason. Always the value of B should be very less. In that point of view, we are writing. If A is equal to B, same operation. Whether you are writing 2 into 2 or even if you shift, same writer. Clear? You wrote function name as a product. Yeah, see, the application is product only, right? See, what is your application? We are performing multiplication of two numbers. Remember that. But how you are performing? By using addition only. Okay. Anand, product of B comma A. Just now I told, right? Suppose if your A value is 2 and B value is 3, then what is happening? A is less than B. Then it is calling product of B comma A, 3 comma 2. So next time when it is calling, A value is what? 3. B value is what? 2. Like this, these two values I am interchanging. Why means just now I explained, right? If you take 2, 3, when B value is equal to large value, you need to take 3 entries in the stack. When B value is very less, you need to take only 2 entries. Clear, Anand? Right. Sir, I think this application and how this application is working, sir, it is very clear for you, everyone. Can you please confirm, is this application is clear for everyone, sir? I am requesting every student to please respond. Yes, I request every student to please respond so that we can go for the next program. Right, sir. So next program, I think already we have solved this program, but let us execute one time, nothing will happen. So what is that, the sixth program, right? The sixth program, what we have here is, so implement a program to check whether the given number is a prime number or not. Okay, whether the given number is a prime number or not, by using recursion we have to solve. Okay, by using this recursion we have to solve. Sir, already we implemented, no problem. Sir, one more time you can able to learn. Sir, how you can able to implement this? First, I will write the sir. Listen carefully. So first step is nothing but we have to read n value from the user. Then, sir, I can ask. Okay, I can ask. So whether is prime demo dot is prime function I am calling by passing n. Sir, what output I am expecting? Sir, I am expecting either true or false. True or false. If your number is a prime number, you will get true. Otherwise, you are going to get false. But static boolean, there is a prime function is not only taking one variable, it is taking two inputs. Or at the time of passing, you are passing only one value. Sir, second argument is also there. Don't worry at all. Can anyone tell? Remembered what is the second argument, friends? Anyone remembered what is the second argument? Yes, excellent. The second argument is n by 2. N by 2. The rule is nothing but, okay, the rule is nothing but, sir, if you have, if you have, if you want to check, okay, if you want to check for a result in a group of 1,000 records, sir, first check in 50,000 records. Sorry, first check in 500 records. If it is available in these 500 records, rest of the 500 records searching you are saving or not time. Yes. Suppose if it is not available in 500, then you can take in the remaining 500, right? Suppose I have taken, I want to search for a record in 1,000 records. I divided into two halves, 500, 500. Sir, if you are feeling this data is very large, again you can divide that 500 into 250, 250. So search in the first 250. If you got the reverse, if you got the result, that record is available, means you are the lucky person, right? So like that, we are going to do here. Okay. So if I want to check a number is prime or not, let us divide up to n by 2. If anywhere it is divisible, then it is a prime number. I mean divisible, then it is not a prime number. Like that, we can take the decision. Sir, what about implementation? The first step is nothing but if your I value is equal to 1. Sir, when I value will become 1, suppose if the given number is 2, it will become I is equal to 1, right? Because 2 by 2. So 2 is a prime number that I am fixing. Second, suppose if n is equal to 3, what will happen? Sir, 3 by 2 is what? 1 only, right? Then also it is a prime number. So when you are getting I value as a 1, yes, return true, stating it is a prime number. Else, if, sir, is that n value is divisible by 0. Suppose if you take n is equal to 4. Sir, 4 can be divisible by 4 and 1, right? But you are taking half. If it is divisible, that means what? So 4 by 2 is 2. Is it divisible or not? Yes. Then what is the reason to check? Simply you can able to return false, stating it is not a prime number. Else, if these two conditions are not satisfied, that means it is not divisible, it is not a prime number. That means next you have to divide with next half. So how you can able to do that? Return. Okay, return. So is prime of n comma, sir, minus minus I. Pre-increment I am taking. Minus minus I, like this. That's all. Sir, don't worry. I will take one example and I will explain. But before that, let us run this program, sir. Sir, I am giving input as a 2. Yes, true. It is a prime number. 3. Yes, it is the prime number. 4. False. It is not a prime number. 5. Sir, true. It is a prime number. 6. False. It is not a prime. This is the logic what we have. So let us explain this by taking some example. So like this I have. Sir, various possible cases I will explain. Listen carefully. Sir, first I am giving n is equal to 2. Sir, n comma n by 2. That means what? 2 by 2. What is the 2 by 2 value? 1. So I is equal to 1. Sir, if I is equal to 1, directly we are returning. True means was yet yes, it is a prime number. Then consider for n is equal to 3. Sir, 3 by 2 means what? You are going to get 1. 1 means it will return again true. Sir, yes, it is the prime. If n is equal to 4, what will happen? Sir, 4 by 2 will become 2. Sir, now I is not equal to 1. Then n percentage I, 4 percentage 2. Is it equal to 0 or not? Yes. Then return false. Sir, stating it is not a prime. Okay. Sir, when n is equal to 5, what will happen? Listen carefully. When n is equal to 5, sir, 5 by 2 means you are going to get a 2. Sir, I is equal to 2. Is it equal to 1? No. Sir, is 5 is divisible by 2? No. Then, sir, is prime of, you have to check by passing n is equal to 5, comma, sir, I minus minus. That means I value is 2. 2 minus minus means 1. Okay, right. Now again check, is I is equal to 1? Yes. Then return it is a prime. Perfect. So when n is equal to 6, sir, 6 by 2 is what? 3. Sir, now is it divisible or not? Yes. Then immediately it will return false. Have you observed how easy it is? So listen carefully. If it is a prime number, it is doing some activity. If it is not a prime number, within one step we are getting the result. Maximum 1 or 2 steps. Is it advantage or not? Yes. But if you are using iteration, suppose if you take n is equal to 6, sir, here at first iteration only you got the result. But if you are using loop, you need to take for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 iterations you are going to do. Okay, sir, if really it is a prime number, then you can do lot of hard work, no problem. But if it is not a prime number, sir, as much as less instructions you have to write to take the decision. That is the thing which you are going to use in recursion. Sir, when compared with the recursion, I mean, when compared with iteration, recursive implementation of a prime number is going to give the best results with respect to time and space complexities. Maybe before whatever we covered some algorithms, maybe it can vary, but this one we can give guarantee because with our eyes we are seeing how many comparisons it is taking for every time, right? So this is nothing but I can say best algorithm for calculating, I mean for checking prime number or not by using which concept? Recursion. I think this sixth program, whatever we have covered for this, I think it is very clear for you people, friends. Right? Any doubts on this recursion by using, I mean prime number program by using recursion? Any doubts? I request every student to please respond. I request everyone to please respond. Clear, right? Right, sir. So the next one, seventh example. Okay, seventh example. So what I am going to do is, sir, I think you are getting some idea, right? So suppose if you got any problem that you need to solve with the help of recursion means, if any task is repeatedly doing, then we can choose recursion. Base condition is very, very important. Function calls is very, very important. If you remember these three things in your mind, for any application, you can convert into recursive programs. But that doesn't mean that every program you can convert it into recursion means no, not possible. Only that formula based programs only we can able to do. Sir, now I want to go with one more program, implement a program to find so sum of digits are present in the given number, present in the given number. Sir, by using recursion, I have to do this activity. Okay, by using recursion, I have to do this activity. Function name is going to change. Sir, let it be so sum of digits. Like this, we have to take only one parameter. I will write the code later. Suppose here we are going to read n value and the demo dot, what is the function name? So sum of digits. Just we have to pass n. Anyway, it will return the result. Sir, sum of digits means what? Very simple. Sir, here you can able to see. Suppose if I am giving n value as a 123. Sir, sum of digits means what? 1 plus 2 plus 3. Sir, is nothing but a 6. Suppose if n is equal to 179. Sir, what we have to do? 1 plus 7 plus 9, which will become 17. Sir, don't feel that it is a sum of n natural numbers. Seems to be same operation, but here we have digits. Very simple, sir. If n is equal to 123, okay, or if n is equal to, you are going to get confused. If you take n is equal to 179, first capture this 9, push it into a stack. Sir, can I get this? Yes, there is a formula, n percentage 10. Oh, good. We can write. Next, how to get this value? Because next time, recursive, right? Sir, you can take n by 10. You will get this value. Sir, now apply the same process. Calculate n percentage for this 17. What we are going to get? Sir, 7, right? Now apply n by 10 for this 17. Sir, you will get 1. Are you getting the problem? Sir, now again apply n percentage 10. You are going to get 1. N by 10, you are going to get 0. Sir, once if you are getting 0, you can stop. Otherwise, you can apply this for recursively. Again, recursively. Like this, you are going to get the total. So like this, you have to think and you have to decide. Sir, now what will become the function here? Yeah, demo dot, correct, Sagar. Yeah, correct, Chaitanya. Thank you. Sir, what we have to do now? Sir, I'm going to write, array boss, whatever n value you have given, is it not equal to 0 means I have to do. Suppose if it is equal to 0, then can you please return 0? Suppose if n value is equal to 0, sum of digits will become 0. Sir, otherwise, what you have to do? Otherwise, it's very simple. Return, store that n value in stack. Sir, don't store n value. So store n percentage 10 value in the stack. Right? Sir, plus you have to get next digit. How to get next digit? Array, call this a sum of digits function by passing n by 10. Good. N by 10. That's all. There ends the matter. Okay. Suppose if the given number is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, first time 5 will be stored and 1, 2, 3, 4 will be sent for second time. Next time 4 will be stored, then 1, 2, 3 will be sent. Sir, next time 3 will be stored, 12 will be sent. Sir, next time 2 will be stored, 1 will be sent. Next time 1 will be stored, 0 will be sent. 0 sent means 0 will be returned. Now you have to pop everything. First, we will execute this code and we will check really whether it is working or not. Sir, enter n value 5. Are you seeing, sir, sum of digits is nothing but 5. Sir, if number is 1, 2, 3, I am expecting 6. Yes, coming. Sir, 1, 2, 3, 4, sir, 10. Sir, now I am taking 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 15. Is it coming or not? Yes. This is the way how we can able to implement this program. Let me explain with the help of Paint so that you people can understand well about this one, sir. Okay. Just a second. I will copy that logic. Yes, this is the logic what we have. So I will take some small n value and I will try to solve this. Listen carefully, friends. So now here, let us consider I am taking n value as a, sir, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Like this I have taken. So n value is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Is it equal to 0? No. Then return first n percentage 10. So internally inside stack, sir, percentage 10 means we will get the last digit. Okay, which is nothing but 1 minute. Vasant, you can write that. Yeah, we can write. No problem. Right. So let me store this 5. 5 will be stored inside the stack. Now, next time, sum of digits of n by 10. Now, your n value will become what? Sir, 1, 2, 3, 4. Sir, again it is going to call. Sir, is it n is equal to 0? No. Then again calculate n percentage 10. Now this value will become 4. Try to push 4 value. Sir, next time your n will become 123. Percentage means 3. 3 will be stored. Sir, next time n will become 12. Sir, percentage means you will get to 2. Store that and take next n value. Your n will become 1. Sir, 1 means again 1 will be stored. Sir, next n will become 0. Sir, when n is equal to 0, we are returning directly 0. So that next process won't be there. So it will return 0. Now pop every elements. Sir, 0 plus 1. Okay, will become 1. 1 plus 2. So will become 3. 3 plus 3 will become 6. 6 plus 4 will become 10. Sir, 10 plus 5 will become 15. Like this, every element will be popped and you are going to get the result. So this is the way how internally this stack will be maintained for this program. So I think this one is a program number. What is the program number? This one? Yeah, 7. Program number 7. So recursion program number 7. Yes, like this we have. Now, sir, can you please confirm, guys? Do you have any doubts in this application? Please confirm. Everyone, please confirm. Poonam, that's why I told very clearly from the basics. Okay. So no one is going to think like a sum of digits program can be calculated like this. But this came from sum of n natural numbers program. So how to print the numbers? From that only it got. So here we have two parts are there. So one is nothing but a calculation part will be there that we have to store it in stack. Second one is how you can able to call next time. That 2 points you have to think by taking the time. Once if you got these 2 points, rest of the things are nothing, right? Clear? It is came only with the help of practice. Punam. Yeah, thank you, Safiuddin. Asif Khan, for everything I am going to um, share these files. Don't worry why you are getting confusion. Recursion, where is that? Yeah, so this one I am going to share. Okay, don't worry, you will receive. Okay. Right, right, friends. So the next program, what we have here is nothing but I think program number 8. Sir, what is the eighth program that we are going to discuss now? Listen carefully, sir. It is also a bit tricky, sir. Please understand, a bit tricky. So implement a program. Implement a program. Okay, sir. To calculate reverse of the given number. Reverse of the given number, okay, using recursion. Sir, I need to implement a program to calculate reverse of the given number by using recursion. Sir, it is very difficult. Yes, of course, because program is easy. So because you have seen recursion means very simple, but once if you see the program, it will become very easy. But how that program is working, once you need to concentrate, sir. So first I will take slowly from the beginning. Please understand. Sir, I have given a number n is equal to 123. Sir, what I am expecting? 321. This is my target, right? Sir, how you can able to do that? Very simple, sir. So I am going to take, first of all, the last digit. What is the last digit? 3. Then I am going to take next digit, 2. Then I am going to take next digit, 1. Sir, we know how we can able to store these values in the stack. We know, right? In the previous example itself, we have seen, sir, we have stored first 3, sir, then we have stored 2, then we have stored 1. Like this, just now we covered. Now, sir, don't store this directly. Okay, don't store this directly. try to take, if you want to get reverse as a 321 from this, what we can able to do? Sir, have you observed? 1 I can take. This 2 can be written as a 20. Sir, this 3 can be written as a 300. Like this, if you have, will it going to generate 321 or not? Yes, it is a basic formula. Okay, sir, it is in unit position. It is in tens position. It is in hundreds position, right? That is our expected result. So whenever it is in hundreds position, multiply with multiply with 100 and store. When it is in second position, multiply with 10 and store. Then third position as it is. Now, sir, perform plus operation. You are going to get this result. Sir, okay, what is the formula for this? Don't worry, I will tell. But if you want to do this, sir, if it is 123, okay. Suppose if it is 1234, then what we have to do? 4 into 1000, 3 into 100, 2 into 10, sir, 1 into 1. So that means it depends on the number of digits or not. If you have 4 digits, we have to start from 10 power 4, sir, 10 power 3, so 10 power 2, 10 power 1. No, so 10 power 3, sir, 10 power 2, 10 power 1, 10 power 0, like this. So if it is 3 digits, then sir, 10 power, what we have to do? Sir, here you can able to see, sir, 10 square, then we have to take 10 power 1, sir, then we have to take 10 power 0. Like this you need to take, sir. Okay, this is something related to the mathematics. Sir, forget about the program. Slowly I will convert this into program. Please confirm whatever I have shown in the diagram, sir, is it injected into your mind? Please confirm, everyone. Is it clear up to this? Right, sir. First I will construct a formula for this. Okay, first I will construct a formula for this. What is the formula? Very simple, sir. First, we have to extract the digit. That I know, n percentage 10. Whatever digit you have extracted, math is little bit complex. So once if you joined into this course, you have to love mathematics. No other way. Okay. Like how you are loving your girlfriend, in the same way you have to love. Okay. Don't worry. Finally, this math will say, I love you. Okay. Right. Ajit Neeraj is sending one meaning for emoji. Lots of love for math. Yes. Swapnil is telling job will say I love you. Yes. Definitely any one person or anything will say I love for you. I don't have lover, sir. You no problem. Soon you will get it. Right. Let us see, sir. Sir, n percentage 10 means you are going to get the digit. Sir, okay, fine. I got the digit. Sir, plus we have calculated in the previous program like sum of digits. Sir, what we have done? N by 10, right? This is the program which we have done in previous. Sir, same thing. But now I want to change the function name as reverse. In the reverse, not at all n by 10. Sir, in addition to this, I will take the length of the number. Suppose if the number length is 3, then first we have to multiply with sir 2, right? Then your length will become 1. Your length will become 0 at last. But not only this one, sir, you need to write some formula also. Sir, it should be multiplied with the power of 10 to the power length minus 1 I am taking. Like this, you have to take the formula, sir. For example, if n is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, listen carefully. N percentage 10 means what? 3. Sir, 3 into, sir, power of 10 comma length minus 1. Sir, what is the length here? Length is equal to 3. 3 minus 1 means what? 2. Sir, plus again I am calculating the reverse of n by 10. N by 10 means, sir, 12. Length minus minus means 2. Listen carefully. This is going to lead 3 into 10 square. 10 square means 100, which will become 300. Next time, n is equal to 12, length is equal to 2 from this. Sir, how it is going to generate next time? Sir, your digit is nothing but n percentage 10. N percentage 10, 12 percentage 10. That means you are going to get 2. Sir, 2 into, I am taking power of, so 10 comma length minus 1. Length is 2, right? 2 minus 1 means 1. Plus again, reverse of n by 2 means 1. Length minus minus. So it will become 1. Now how it is going to calculate? 2 into 10 power 1 means a 10, that is nothing but 20. Next time n will become 1 and length will become 1. Sir, how it is going to calculate? 1 into, sir, power of 10 comma 0. So plus again reverse of, so 0, 0 comma 0. Sir, now what will happen? Sir, 1 into, sir, 10 power 0 is nothing but 1, which is 1. Sir, when n is equal to 0, maybe I am going to return 0 directly. Now, sir, what are the entries stored in stack? 300 plus 20 plus 1 plus 0. What will be the result? 321. Sir, is it our reverse or not? Yes. Clear? Everyone, please confirm. Is the concept is clear? Someone is asking, sir, is it pre-decrement? Yes, definitely. Because length is 3 in this line. So if you take length minus minus, again 3 will be sent. So in this line, if you want to get a change, minus minus length you have to use. Clear? How n value is replacing? See, we are taking n by 10, right? Initially number is 123. Sir, 123 by 10 means you will get a 12. So next time n will become 12. 12 by 10 means we are going to get 1. So 1 by 10 means you are going to get a 0 like this. Clear? Right. So I think everyone got very clear clarity about this, sir. Okay. What if we have 4-digit? Remind me in the next session, I will take 4-digit and I will explain. Okay. Right. So that's all about today's session, sir. I will upload this running within a few minutes. Regarding recordings, please contact admin team. So I will instruct admin team also to provide access for everyone. Okay. Right. Thank you. See you tomorrow. Good night.